How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do the best tutorial to get a deep voice naturally. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I'm going to tell you guys a quick little trick that you can do. We're then going to go over some exercises that will help you get a deeper voice. My voice has become a lot deeper recently. If you watch previous videos of mine, 3-4 years old, my voice was really high pitched. It has come down a lot. Like, my voice is way deeper than what it was. Very simple thing that I did that anyone can do right now is just talk slower. Talking slower instantly makes your voice deeper, because you're not saying as many words as fast. The faster you talk, normally the higher your pitch gets. So by slowing down how fast you talk, you're gonna naturally get a deeper voice. Every single person that does this will get a deeper voice. Some exercises that we can do. Another thing that really allowed me to get a deeper voice is when I started meditating. I meditated for about 2 years or so, really consistently every single day. And I noticed the deep breathing, it actually helps with the deeper voice. So for beginners, now I can do lots of deep breaths in a row for beginners. And when I first started off, if you do too much deep breathing, you will get lightheaded. So what we want to do is just 3 to 4 big breaths, and then we're going to take a break. So just like this. Again, really deep breaths. Take at least a 20-second break, you guys. Very important that you take the breaks. Don't try to do a lot of reps in a row. Again, if you're not used to it, you will feel a little dizzy, you guys. So just 3 to 4 reps, that's it. Take a little bit of a break. Okay, we'll do it again. So take another bit of a break, 20-30-second break. Do say 3 to 4 sets of these in a row. So again, 3 to 4 deep breaths, take a 20-second break, another 3 to 4. Do this about 4 or 5 times in a row. Again, if you feel dizzy, then just stop. You can do this twice a day, morning before going to bed, if you want to. I did this for 2 years, you guys, and I noticed a massive difference in my voice. And it had nothing to do with my voice. My goal was to help me relax and to get rid of some of the stress. So meditating, amazing, simply amazing. And it really gives you more clarity and stuff like that. But the deeper voice just came as a side effect from doing it. And yes, I 100% got a deeper voice by doing the deep breathing. That's all you have to do, just deep breaths, in, out, in, out. If you really want to get technical, really focus on your breath. That'll help you focus a little bit more. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.